Alright, so before this video even starts, I just want to give a big thank you to Longhorn Fab Shop for supporting us, even though we're still really small. Just a big thank you to them. The link is down in the description, so make sure you check them out. Welcome back, YouTube. I feel so weird. It's been like 3 days since I made a video, which before I used to go like a month on end without making a video, and now that I'm doing it consistently, it just feels ridiculously weird. But I did it again. Tore the turbo out of the truck. And for those of you who are worried about me not having a turbo in the truck, I got one here, another one there, another one there. There's another cartridge over there, and then there's another compressor housing over there on the shelf. So yeah, no, I got plenty of those laying around. Don't worry about that. But yesterday, I did finally get my order in from Longhorn Fab, which is these track bars. Big shout out to them. Big thank you to them. I showed them my YouTube channel and I told them what my plans were and all that. And pretty much they replied back and were like, wow, you guys are nuts. We're in. So they gave us a huge discount on those. Big thank you to them. I'm going to leave the link in the description for those down below. If you guys like them, make sure you go check them out. But yeah, no. So I got to get the turbo in the truck. Obviously, truck moving. And we got to bring the track bars and the truck itself over to Dave's shop, the YouTube shop as he calls it, whatever you guys want to call it, and get those welded in. So as you guys know, this thing has axle hop really bad. As you can see in the first nitrous video I did, the radio literally fell out of the dash because it was axle hopping so bad. Uh-oh. Small fire. Fire. That was close. That was close. My amp wire just decided to catch on fire out of nowhere. Whew, that smells terrible. Oh, thank God my truck didn't just burn down. God, I had the worst luck with this thing. Alright, O3 turbo is in. Track bars are in the bed. Turbo's working like it should. We are headed to the shop to weld on those track bars. Now, I'm going to test those things out. Rear end tacked up. About to do the front. Got to clean up this paint real quick. So, you do have to take the skid plate for the gas tank off, fuel tank for those of you. Out here rolling boogers. I didn't really want to actually weld it that far, just kind of was going with it. But I'm going to go ahead and move to the other side, get everything nice and square, and then go from there. Right, track bars are all welded in, nice and solid. I am going to set the preload. I don't know yet, but I got it all painted. I didn't really get much of the welding work or the like holding it up there, clamping it and everything, because number one, it's dark. Number two, the mosquitoes are about to carry me away. All right, track bars are in. I'm actually gonna finish this video tomorrow. Because obviously it's dark out and it's really hard to do things without having light, especially for you guys, because you can't see anything at all. But I am I'm gonna test it on the way home, so I'm gonna kind of feel it out. Everything feels normal in the truck right now. You never even know. Alright, so as promised, it's now the next day. This thing rides so much better now that it has the track bars. And the like infamous Super Duty hop at 45, 50 miles an hour is now gone. So I'm gonna go put these things through the ringer real quick. Alright. It's so much smoother now. Wow, this thing rides so smooth. Oh, that's my hitch. Definitely needed a new clutch. Clutch pedal just got stuck to the floor, so this turbo is a lot more responsive now that I have the 03 10 blade on there, and it actually I think does a lot better. I think before the 13 blade it was just, I don't know, it would just like peg straight to like 33 psi and stay there, and my vanes weren't stuck or anything, so I see why they recommend the 10 blade now. Track bars are on there. Wasn't really any live action in this video or anything too crazy. I just wanted to give you guys an update and also give Longhorn. Truck rides so much smoother. If you guys are experiencing like the 45 mile an hour Super Duty hop, which all Super Duties do it, I would definitely get these. They definitely take that away. And the truck rides a lot smoother. No more axle hop, no more anything. It just gets up and goes. It doesn't pick up the rear end at all and then go. It just plows straight now. So thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. We got a lot more coming, especially for the truck. And also the Monte Carlo, we did have to get a new torque converter for that because we sent it back to FTI, which is where we got it from, that and the tranny, and the car was blowing through the converter, so we had to completely get they're gonna upgrade us to, I guess, a better torque converter. So hopefully that'll be back on the track next week. Our knuckleheads decided to pull the tranny out to send out the converter to be. Did he already send it?
No, it's packaged up though.
Oh.
It's getting tightened up.
Terpsky 400 is laying over here. Got a fuel pump for the mud truck right there.
Hoping to pick up 10 plus mile per hour, and the quarter did.
Hoping.
We're hoping to keep trapping 170.
169 is actually
169 would be a very
ideal.
That would be
ideal.
1 mile an hour.
Would it?
Yeah.
Nice.
No, it would be 10 miles an hour. My bad. We trapped 158.
Yeah, 169 would be ideal. Everything held together last time at the track. Pretty impressive.
Besides this one weld.
No, don't even. Besides this one weld, no. I was actually pretty nervous when he just pulled up and like put it right on the two-step. I was like, oh, we're not even gonna like get on it or nothing.
And then I did a massive wheelie.
Yeah, everything's good.
Oh, so we got another view of the wheelie.
What?
Hold on, we'll do some video inception.
Inception. Who did
Pretty-
this? Who took this?
Tyler, our tuner. And it's very poor quality, but this makes the car look a lot faster.
Hey, look, there's me in the back. Dang, that thing came down hard.